Hello, party people! Hello! It's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. I am here with another Beebeecraft haul that I want to share with you guys. So I have 5 items to share today, and I will link them all down in the description box, and I will let you know my honest opinion of these items. I just want you to know that I have purchased all these items with my own money, and that I have not opened them. I am interested to see what it's all about. So let's get into it. These ones, the first item I have is 500 pieces of gold brass lever back hoop earrings. They are lead free, and when I purchased them, they were $7.83 on the website. So Beebeecraft has a thing they're doing where if you order, I think it's over $25 worth of items, you get free shipping from the US warehouse, and that's what I did. So just feeling these, I can feel that they feel light. Not that that's bad, but they do feel like a lighter material, and I don't know if if that's because they are brass, but they feel pretty light to me. I think they're going to work fine for my projects. They are lead free, and they are alloy free, so that is good. We have 500 pieces of those. The gold is a nice color. It's not like a brassy gold, but it is kind of a shinier gold, which I kind of like the more toned down. But by itself, when it's not with all this other stuff, it's going to look fine. So I am excited about those. I'm just looking here. Yeah, the hole is closed. I was thinking it was open, but it's not. It's closed. Where you hook up your charms or your whatever, so that's good. Let's put those back in there. And so, like I said, I ordered those, and those were $7.83. So, we will move on to item number 2. So, item number 2 is this, like, Tulle. And I haven't opened this yet. So, I use Tulle inside of my jewelry boxes when I do shipping. And the reason I do that, okay, get off of there. Might have to cut it. The reason I do that is because inside the jewelry box, it has, like that cotton on one side, but then if you don't put something on top, I always get afraid that it's going to like hit up against the top of the box. So I put a pretty piece of Tulle in there. Generally, mine doesn't have this sparkly stuff on there. It's just regular kind. But I just kind of crumple this up and put it in the top of the box, so then if it does hit up, there's a little cushion. I do think this sparkly stuff is super cute. I mean, this is actually supposed to be like for weddings and stuff. I will say it's only on one side, but I don't think anybody's going to be paying attention to that. And let's see. So you get 2 rolls of the glitter sequin tulle netting. And it was $7.55. My little sheet, it's kind of like an abbreviated sheet. It doesn't say how many feet are on there. Let me look. Let me look and see if I got it on this other one, maybe. It just says that it's 6 inches wide. So, I mean, it's quite a lot. I don't know how much it is, but it's cute. So that'll be for my packaging. Beebeecraft does have quite a large selection of like packaging stuff as well. If you are making jewelry or other crafts and you're looking for some packaging solutions, they do have some really good stuff. I think in one of my last videos, I reviewed some organza bags that I got, and those have been working out really well, so just FYI. Okay, next we have these guys. Now these are 500 pieces of filigree leaf pendants in platinum. They're 23 millimeters long. So this is what they look like. They're cute. How much did I pay for these? I paid $5.91 for these. They were on promotion when I bought them. They're just little filigree leaves. If you're familiar with filigree, you know that it's just kind of like a real thin, you know, metal. But you can patina paint these, add these to all kinds of different projects, tassels, different stuff, crafts. So I just thought these would be nice to have. And they do have, if you can see that, it has a hole in the top. And these are in, it's like a platinum silver, but if you they kind of almost look like gunmetal-y. So I got a whole bunch of those. I'm excited to use those. And I have not opened these ones up yet. Oh, gotta turn the page. I haven't opened these ones up. So these ones are Panda Hall Elite, and this is 2 sets of 15-piece antique vintage bronze skeleton key charms. I got these on promotion for $7.22, which is a super awesome price. So let's see what we got. They're all supposed to be different. I will say this one is one-sided. I don't know if they're all one-sided. No, this one is double-sided. I prefer a double-sided, but some of these are double-sided and some of them are not double-sided. So, yeah, like these ones, double-sided. Looks like we got a whole array of different ones, so that's nice. I really like to use these, and for the ones that are not double-sided, the single-sided ones, generally what I'll do is I deck them up with cup chain or something, do a patina paint, you know, when you're hanging them as a pendant, maybe on a long necklace, and I think that that helps. I don't know if it does or not. I just think it does. This is cute. Yeah, I really like these. It was a good price. These were $7.22 for both bags, for both sets. It came like that. I didn't order 2. It just said that it was 2 sets, so I don't know what's up with that. But basically 30 pieces anyways. So those are the bronze keys. I will definitely use those. I will say I like the double-sided ones better than the single-sided ones, but it looks like the ones that are single-sided have a little more decorative designs on them than the double-sided ones, which are kind of just plain. Honestly, I don't mind the plain, but, you know, it is what it is. Keys are always fun to have. I really like keys, so I will be enjoying those. I have this box of 750 pieces, 4mm, 6mm cube crystal glass beads. So these I got on promotion in this box for $13.03, and it has 4mm, 6mm, and 8mm cubes. And I specifically bought these. Let me get a darker one so you can see. Okay, so there's the 8mm. And a 6 and a 4. So here we go. 8, 6, 4. I specifically bought these for making snowmen, the cube shape, more towards Christmas. I thought that this box would be a perfect box to get for that because it has red, green, white, black, if you want to do the top hat in a black, blue for like more of a Frosty the Snowman type vibe. And then it has pink. And I'm like, I don't know if I would really use that for Christmas, but you could. So I was just thinking ahead with these. There's quite a few in here. And then I do have also on order some of the square rhinestones for the hat. So we'll see those when they come in. So again, these came in this little box. Perfect for snowman making if you're interested. For $13.03. Yeah, so that's what I got going on today. I thought I had 5 items out here, but I must have only had 4. Oh no, I did. I had also the Tulle. That's why. So this was my haul this time from Beebeecraft. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, please leave those down in the comment box, and I will try to reply to you. Give this video a like, a share. Don't forget to subscribe, and you can do that by hitting my logo, which I will leave on the screen. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.